Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 DNS server not responding problem. First method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses, type 1.1.1.1.0.0.1. Second method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.